So you would think it would be not too hard to find a replacement drawer for an Ender V3 2, Ender 3 V2 to implement on the Ender 3 Pro. And I printed something, and the problem was when I went to go slice the file, they had two drawers. I couldn't. It kind of looked like this. I couldn't get it to fit. So kind of looks something like this. What I don't like about the way this one is, this one sticks out. I don't want extra drawers. I just want it like my other two Enders. So I don't want that extra drawer. Don't care about it because the one I printed, the extra drawer ended up being so small, it wasn't even funny anyway. So I'm not at the point where I know how to take the parts off of my other printer and measure them and design my own stuff. But if I could do that, that's exactly what I would do right now, rather than sit here and searching and searching and searching. But I just want the replacement drawer. I found one, but his file doesn't look right either. It's like a box that's completely sealed up. So I don't have that screen on mine anymore. Mine has the newer screen. So the only difference between mine and one of these other ones is the power supply, which I plan to relocate probably in the back anyway. Look at that dual. It's got a linear rail. There's some really cool stuff on here when you start to look around. So, yeah, I just this one here. So where to go? Okay, this one here. When I he said Ender 3V2 Neo replacement drawer. He spilled acetone on his and screwed it up. So this is like pretty close to a copy, and it will work, I think. But his file here, we can even look at it here and see. Okay, it's sealed shut. I don't know if there's maybe a reason why it's sealed shut. Maybe it's supposed to be printed that way. So you'd have this little lip here in the back. So this would be the back. It should be open right here. That should be the opening. And then the drawer. See, the drawer has an edge to it, like that, just like the original. But when I look up the file and I slice it, it doesn't look right. So here it is on the slicer. We can see there's a lip here. With supports on, it's going to take 6 hours to print this stupid thing. Oh, come on. So, and it also shows a divider in here. We can see that. So I'm not sure what's up with that. Alright, so we're going to try and open this file again. I had the computer crashed, and then I noticed something weird when it did it. So this guy's drawers right here. It's really hard to see this stuff, but we should be able to look at it from the side here. And we should see some kind of opening on it. Okay, so that's going to be the back of it. Let's go to our front view. Okay. This thing's very laggy. I don't know why this software wants to slice it before I tell it to slice it. Okay. So if we're looking at this here, come on. See, this is really strange. I see an opening up here. See, this isn't even right. It's like it's not even the right file. It's a completely enclosed drawer. Like, this is enclosed. I don't know if maybe they had some intentions to remove this part. There's no top. Like, what am I looking at here? Okay. See that? That's actually almost looks more like the drawer. Okay, so that is really weird. So this is definitely the shape that the drawer would be and the housing, but what doesn't make sense is why we're looking at this like that. Okay. Now, if we slice it and we pull up this preview, it'll take forever, but okay. So this file is wrong. And I'm gonna go ahead and clear the build plate. I'm gonna open up his other file that he had. God, I hate it when it does this. I gotta go to new project, yes. This version of Cura for the Neptune 4, I don't really care for it. Okay, so there's a drawer. And the damn thing's trying to slice. Just stop trying to slice these stupid files. So here's a drawer. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just trying to find a drawer for this stupid thing. So this ain't it. And the guy had them on here. You know, it looks okay, but that's not what you're printing. And he even shows it in his file here that this is wrong. So I'm not sure. There's no comments or details other than somebody asking if it fits the Neo.